Hi guys, welcome to our special sounds video. Please join me as we say all of our sounds together. Ready? Begin. W in whale, W-H. H in who, W-H. Ch in patch, T-C-H. Ear in ear, E-A-R. Air in bear, E-A-R. In earth, E-A-R. Old in gold, O-L-D. In lamb, M-B. Oo in flu and oo in few, E-W. E in rainy, Y. In bigger, E-R. Est in biggest, E-S-T. Lee in slowly, L-Y. N in sharpen, E-N. And our one we're going to learn today is Ez in peaches, E-S. Say it again. Ez in peaches, E-S. Now you try it by yourself. Now let's do it together. Ez in peaches, E-S. Nice job. Now if you notice, this is also another suffix. Remember, a suffix comes at the end of a root word. So the root word is the word that you start with, and it is a word all by itself. But when you add the suffix es, it changes it into a new word. So our root word was peach. That's only one. But if we have peaches, that means there are more than one. So let's look at these words together and get out that piece of paper and pencil, and we're going to find that there are many words that have this es, and it makes a new word. So take out that piece of paper and pencil, and let's write down these new words with this special sound. Our first one is this one. Okay, pause the video so you can write down this word and circle the new suffix we learned. All right, did you finish? Did you circle it? Did you underline that root word? Great job if you did. Now let's check your work, okay? All right, here we go. Let's sound it out together. W-ish, w-i, wish, wish, wish. Now let's add the es. Wish as, wishes, wishes. I'd like to send you many birthday wishes on your birthday. And you guys in my class surprised me with all those birthday wishes, and I am so thankful. Thank you for doing that. That was very sweet. Now let's do another one together. And while I'm writing that down, tell me a sentence that has the word wishes in it. Nice. Okay, let's do another one together. Here it is. Pause the video so you can write this one down and underline the root word and circle the new special sound. All right, let's check your work and see how you did. Okay. Here we go. Did you underline this and circle this? Good. Now let's check your work. Lun, lunch, 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 lunch as, lunches, lunches, lunches. Every day, when we were at school, you guys brought your lunches to school. Now, if I covered up the ES, it would make it just one lunch. And but if you add the ES, it makes it more than one. So that's a pretty cool thing to tell if it's either one or more than one. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. Okay. Here it is. Pause the video so you can write this one down, and then circle the special sound when you are on pause. Okay, did you write it down? And did you find that special sound? Good work. Let's check it. All right, is this what you got? Good, let's check your work. Wash, remember that sound wa in wash? Wash, wash, washes, washes, washes. My family washes the dishes every night before we go to bed. Washes. Now, you go ahead and use the word washes in a sentence. Nice. Let's do one more together. Okay, please pause the video so you can write down this word and circle the special sound. Okay, did you write it down? And did you circle that special sound? All right, let's check your work and let's see how you did. Did you find it? Nice job. Okay, now let's figure out what this word says. Fur. Ooh, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, so we know that this one says E. Freeze, 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 freezes, freezes, freezes. My mom freezes fruit for our smoothies. Freezes. Nice. Now you go ahead and use the word freezes in a sentence. All right, nice job. I love it. Well, thank you so much for joining us in today's special sound video. We learned all about the suffix es in peaches, es. And stay tuned, and we'll see you in our next video for our next special sound. And until then, bye-bye, guys.